Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're just having a walk about, see if we can find any chicken of the woods. So come with us and see what we come across. So here we are. We're just not too far away from where we're based. Lovely woodland over there. That's good for foraging. You can see for miles around here with fields. Yeah, it's quite a nice area, quite a few oak trees. So let's see what we can find. I think that's a yellowhammer there, I'm not sure. Moved a bit quick. A train going down main line. So we're just looking at hedgerows. There's plenty of hawthorn berries. You can make like a tomato ketchup with them. Oak tree here. This is where you can find them. Chicken of the woods. Yeah, doesn't really seem to be any on that one. Just checking another oak tree. None on that one. Just come across a oak tree here. This is last year's chicken of the woods. And here we have some of this year's. It's gone past its best.
Is that?
Yeah, it's a shame. There's a bit down bottom here. Again, past its best. There's a little bit there that's quite young. And yeah, a little bit, not a lot. Well, I think that's about as lot on this one. I think we left it a bit late. Yeah. We're just managing to salvage a few bits.
What are you gonna have?
Looks like somebody's already been and cut that off there.
Yeah, somebody's.
Yeah. I can't get my knife in, otherwise I'd get my knife in. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit. Yeah, it's a bit. Well, there's a little bit, not a lot. But if you do find chicken in the woods, make sure it's not on a yew tree, because yew trees are poisonous to humans, and they're not 100% sure whether it goes into the fungus itself. So safest bet is just to leave it. And I think that's a lot on this one. Yeah. It's a shame. But yeah. Yeah. I think that's past its best, but we'll try it and see what we get out on it. Oh, here we are, guys. We're back at the van. And it's not the best I've ever picked, but it's passable. And as you can see, I'm hoping you can see, the texture just looks like chicken, or cooked chicken should I say. If you could have smell in here, it's like a million mushrooms all in one room. But we're going to transform this into our version of chicken nuggets, and the taste is very, very similar to chicken nuggets. In fact, it probably passes vegan chicken, whatever that is.
In fact, we've got friends who thought we'd been to McDonald's and bought chicken nuggets, when in fact it was chicken of the woods in breadcrumbs in beef dripping. So it couldn't have been any further from chicken nuggets.
So if you go foraging and you see oat, just treat it like you would in a supermarket. If it don't look good in the supermarket, leave it be. And stuff like that, just either cut it off or get a scrub, but try not to wet it too much. So yeah, I'll bring you back once we've got the nuggets. Well, so here we are. The chicken of the woods has been cleaned, washed a little bit. Try not to wash it too much, just check out for bugs and things like that. So what we're going to do now, I've already chopped it into cubes, roughly about a centimetre square. I'm not really particular what size really. Then we grab a small handful, drop it into some salt and peppered flour, and just quickly give it a coat like so. Just make sure it's all covered as much as you can. So yeah, we're about there. Then what we do, drop it into the beaten egg like so. And just try and cover it as much as you can in the egg. It is a messy job, but it's worth it. Right, the next step will be to get your chicken pieces, or chicken of the wood should I say, drop them in some breadcrumbs like so. It's a messy job. So you just drop them in there. I'll just put some of it at the top. Make sure they get a good coating. Like so. And they're ready to go into the pan. Once I've finished them all off, I'll bring you back. So I put some oil in the pan. I'm going to get it fairly hot. Then I'm just going to do an handful at a time. Just drop one in, see if we're going to have a bit of a sizzle. Not quite hot enough. Here we are. So I'll drop an handful in. Cook them for 2 or 3 minutes. Then we'll see how we are. Right, this is the first batch in. It looks quite done. Nice golden brown colour. So we'll get that on a plate, just let them cool down a bit, then we'll put some salt and pepper on them, season them a little bit. So there we are, a plate full of chicken of the woods as chicken popcorn. They're absolutely beautiful. Right, that's all folks. I'm going to leave you, and I'm going to enjoy these. Till next time, thank you. Please like and subscribe and take care.